It isn't enough to show up just ready to work. Whether you're a banker or a construction worker on a job site, you have to dress the part. And while the former changes is dress more because of social and professional pressures, the latter does it because it helps them get the job done in a real tangible way. As a whole, workwear's main purpose is to stand up to tough work conditions for an extended period of time. Where a regular pair of jeans may only last a couple of months, a pair of work pants will last well over a year. But each specific item does a bit more than just last. They make the hard work of getting everything on the to-do list checked off before the end of the day a bit easier and safer. To help provide a bit of a breakdown, we pulled together a list of what we think are some of the best clothing brands of workwear for construction workers. Take a look and see for yourself.
Hurley's based on a family ethic. Specifically, Bob Hurley, building surfboards, ended up making clothing that wasn't in the marketplace at that point, designing stuff that needed to be made. Across the country in Detroit, Hamilton Carhartt was fascinated with what was going on in the rail yards. He would go down there and interact with what ended up being his customers. Some of the early designs that he did are still in production today. 130 years of continual evolutionary advancement. That's a statement. Hurley and Carhartt share a lot of the same values. Dependable, functional, generational. You've got guys that have driven by the same desire to innovate, satisfy real needs, and get to some place that neither one of them would have gotten without the other. Making utilitarian, progressive, comfortable gear built to outwork the water. Surfboard builders, ranchers, fishermen, construction workers, we who function in outdoor environments need things that will survive and thrive. Tools, not toys. This is product for all of us who get up every morning and get after it because we have no other choice.
Doers move our world. So for 20 years, Timberland Pro has helped move those who do. They move mountains, reach new heights, and illuminate the world. And we're with them every step of the way. Workers are the power behind our changing world. Our tradition of innovation is their future. Our advancement is their success. As long as workers must always be doing, our job to support them will never be done.
We'll always believe in a job done right, and the people who do the work. Since 1923, we've made uniforms for the doers, the hands-on folks who use elbow grease and heart in equal measure. They push to get better at the work they love, so they can earn a good living doing it and live a better life because of it. These are the men and women who solve problems, whether it's alongside a coworker or listening to a friend. The people who live to learn and see every day as a chance to be a better team member, partner, sister, mentor, or parent. Who know that building up their community isn't an option, it's a responsibility and a gift. They understand that what you give is what you get, both on and off the job. So they always give their all. Because they inspire each of us, we work for all of them. And we see to it that those working to make a good living and a good life can keep at it. At Redcap, we work for those who believe in a job and a life done right.
There's a reason some people go to the gym. Because they don't do what you do every day. Lifting, climbing, lunging, and repeating till the job's done right. This is your workout. This is your gym. And these are the boots and workwear that stretch, support, and protect you every step of the way. Learn more at ariatwork.com or a retailer near you.
Out here, there's no boss. No 9 to 5. And no vacation days. Overtime pay? Yeah, right. Retirement isn't even a thought. Out here, this is more than a job. It's a calling. Generations deep. It's a life of sweat, devotion, worry, and wonder. Of simple moments and bonds that hold strong. You see, out here, not all rewards are material. Sometimes it's the simple truth that you were born to lead this life.
This diamond was forged on hard work, grit, strength, integrity, and dedication to craftsmanship. The values that we hold true with every fiber of our being. From our modest beginnings in the midst of the Great Depression to the 4th generation now at the helm, our family has been there to protect your family. Our diverse workforce of more than 600 American workers from 36 countries proudly manufactures the safety apparel that has helped build our country from the ground up. Innovation born in Cleveland. The best product and technologies delivered around the world. Our house of brands is dedicated to one critical mission: protecting America's utility, manufacturing, and steel workers in the field, and our armed forces on the battlefield. Our commitment to each other is matched only by our commitment to those we serve, providing innovative and high-quality safety apparel to our customers to get them home safely, day after day. We are National Safety Apparel.
For nearly 2 decades, we've been crushing the traditional mindset that workwear has to be stiff, uncomfortable, and lack overall style and function. Our new workwear collection, Power Move, is built for those who lift, reach, and swing. For those that need more out of their workwear. We took our best-selling silhouettes a step further with streamlined movement features. What you'll get is an enhancement of our roots, which is canvas workwear that's actually comfortable straight out of the box. We started with our 10-ounce washed and peached fabric, giving you worn-in comfort from the first wear. The Flex Action Elbow provides greater articulation and prevents sleeve ride-up. Flex Action Back increases range of movement. And Flex Action underarm gusset allows greater reach with less ride-up. A drop-behind pocket eliminates opening your jacket on a cold day to grab your phone. Heavy-duty zippers are built for easy handling with gloves. The ribbed knit cuff and hem won't stretch and lose shape over time. And reinforcement on high-stress seams will keep these jackets going for years to come. Because when you're in the thick of it, you need something reliable to keep you moving. That's real work, made better. Welcome to the Work Jacket Revival.